we're gonna react to something here. I had this in a while and I found this thing. It's basically the VistaQUEST clear vision of a film scanner. Before we had YouTube and movies, and basically this is how they mainly edit most of the films on this little guy. This is gonna be a throwback for you. A throwback to the past. So we're gonna unbox this little thing with my wonderful knife. Okay. And yeah. So here we go. The part that goes for this. So yeah. And the guy right here, wait, can actually open up, come on, open. Okay. And directions, oh yeah, we'll go for that one. And CD. Basically, I actually had this a couple years ago, 4 years ago, and I know there's something else in the box. Is there anything else in the box? Oh boy. Okay then. So we got 2 extra boxes here. So yeah. Okay. So anyway, this is what it is. Oh, I should have used my knife for this. Okay, this is the little guy. This is what I'm going to use the knife for. And yeah. This is the one that I will be using a knife for. So, oh, come on. This is the wonderful beast line right here. This is basically a little throwback video for you guys. If you have not seen one of these, if you never heard of one of these, it's a VistaQUEST where basically you edit on this thing. You can literally edit on this thing. It's pretty sweet actually. Yeah. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Make sure you subscribe my next video like this, and make sure you follow me all over it of Ask Live. And I will definitely do a little slow motion on here because this is kind of cool. Alright, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you follow me all over it of Live. And see ya. Peace. Bye, and subscribe for more videos like this.